Class 10th students, it is the next video from the chapter Control and Coordination. The topic of this video is the human brain. Brain is the highest coordinating center in the body. It is the widest and uppermost part of central nervous system. Our brain is located inside the skull, which is a bony box and known as cranium. The brain is surrounded by three membranes. These membranes are called meninges, which help in providing protection to the brain from the mechanical shock and jerk. What is the weight of our brain? It is in between 1.2 to 1.5 kg, and the brain constitutes 98% of the total central nervous system. The space between meninges is filled with a fluid which is called cerebrospinal fluid. This fluid is also involved in providing protection from the mechanical shock and jerk. Now you have to know about various parts of human brain. These parts are the forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. So at first about the forebrain. The forebrain consists of three parts, which are the cerebrum, olfactory lobes and diencephalon. At first about the cerebrum. It is the largest part which is divided into two halves by the presence of a fissure like a structure. These divided parts are called the cerebral hemisphere. The cerebrum of the forebrain is the main thinking part, which is the site of intelligence, learning, reasoning and memory. Each hemisphere has four areas or four lobes for controlling all types of sensory impulses. These lobes are frontal lobe, occipital lobe, temporal lobe, parietal lobe and olfactory lobes. So at first about the frontal lobe. It is a lobe which controls all types of voluntary and involuntary actions of various body parts. Second lobe is the occipital lobe. This lobe of cerebrum is the seat for visual perception. The next lobe is the temporal lobe. It is the seat for auditory reception. All type of sounds are perceived by these lobes. Next lobe is the parietal lobe. This lobe perceives stimulus for pain, touch and temperature. The next part of forebrain is the olfactory lobes. These are club-shaped structures which occur on anterior surface of cerebrum. These lobes perceive and relay sense of smell. In next video about the next part of human brain. Thanks.